For me, coming to EdTech, I get just enjoyment. I mean, for me, welding is my passion, and EdTech opened that door for me at an earlier age than normally what I would get. You know, usually I'd have to go through 4 years of high school, and then I could start doing what I want to do. But thanks to EdTech, that opened that door quicker for me. You know, I could start 2 years ahead of time. My program, I'm in welding machining. As you can see behind me, we do all sorts of things, torch cutting. We do the industrial mills, industrial lathes. We have CNC machining here. We cover everything from basic arc welding to MIG, TIG, gas welding, to brazings and soldering. Right now I am on one of the industrial lathes, and I'm doing a very simple project just to get me used to taking off thousandths of an inch at a time. So this is very, very small measurements, very precise. It rotates my metal. I cut off very, very thin sheets of it just to get it to tolerance on what the diagram is asking me to get. What I like best is making sparks fly. I like fusing metal. I like taking a step back and looking at my work. I take pride in what I make, and coming here, you know, it gives me that sense of achievement. That's what I like best. For me, what sets EdTech apart is the hands-on working that I get to do. For me, I'm not a book learner. I'm a hands-on learner. I like to see what I'm doing. I like to, you know, feel it, see what's in front of me. And trial and error is another thing. Most schools, you try something, you know, you get a bad grade. It takes your grade down. Over here, you try something, they take a step back, you get to try it again, you get to perfect it. Taking this class for your 2 years can shave off some time from your post-high school education. So instead of taking maybe a 10-month course or something, it would take it down to an 8-month course. Since I already covered all the basics, I know all the safety. This program has changed my future immensely. I mean, through this program, I've had options to talk to the Navy. I've had opportunities with the Army, Lincoln Tech. They told me, you know, I can travel, I can go out of state. When I'm older, I can go out of country. It's something I've always wanted to do, is see the world. I always wanted to travel around. Welding opens that door for me, as well as CNC machining.